If you are trying to fix your Monopoly Go stuck on a loading screen, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that your application is updated. Because at times, if your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So you have to launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Monopoly Go. Make sure that you see Play or Open instead of Update. If you see Update, tap on Update and update your app. Now scroll all the way below and tap on Apps. Here also type in Monopoly Go. Once you see Monopoly Go, tap onto it, then tap on Storage. Now the trick here is to clear the cache as well as your data. As you tap on Delete Data, you'll have to re-log into your Monopoly Go account. So go ahead, do that, and then launch your Monopoly Go account, and this shall definitely fix your screen stuck on loading. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.